welcome back YouTube. I've got my Golf MK5 again, and I've tried to catch the sunset on this little drive with the new exhaust. I've kind of got a dodgy setup with the GoPro. I really hope it stays on, but yeah, basically just a POV drive with the new exhaust and an exhaust cam. I'm not going to talk too much before I lose the sunset, so I'm going to get going so we can get a bit of the sunset as well. I actually haven't driven this car in like a week, so it's going to be a fun drive. Well, I've driven like 15 minutes here, but yeah, I'm not going to bore you guys with too much talking. I hope the exhaust cam setup is good. It's really just my first time trying it, and I really hope it stays on as well, because it is a really bumpy road, and it is going to be an even worse road up ahead. But we'll see if it holds through here. It should hold pretty much all of it. And oh my god, I really forgot how bad the suspension is. Like, because I've been driving my other car, and it's literally a brand new car, so driving difference between that and this is miles. So I'm not gonna talk too much nonsense. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy it. For that GoPro at the back, because it's literally my first time ever trying this setup, and I have no clue how good this is going to hold. But I really hope I have my GoPro on the other end. Nice Subaru. Road. I'm not going to push it too much, like I said, because of the GoPro. But once we get a bit better road, I'll give it a bit more. So much. I think I hear a loose leak, and it felt slower as well. Or maybe it's just me because I've been driving a car recently. Whatever it is, you can never get enough of the turbo flutter. Even if it is a slow car, the turbo flutter just makes up for it. reason I keep looking back is to check on the GoPro. But so far, I think we're good. I actually put this exhaust on like 3 weeks ago or so, and that's when I got the new car, so I haven't actually been driving it that much as I used to. It is, well, now after driving it again, I do realise how fun it was to drive. Even though I'm not really pushing it, but it is a very fun car to drive. You just can't hate on it. Petrol or diesel, whatever it is, you can't hate on the turbo flutter, no matter what car it is. We have reached our destination, guys, and we are now at driver. Someone's been having too much fun around here. This is actually a very popular location for car meets. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We've got the starlights in full action at night, so I may record another one for just the starlights when it gets a bit darker. Let me know if you want to see that, and yeah, I'll make it happen if you want. So for now, I'm going to end this video here. Leave a like if you like the video. Leave some comments what you want to see next, and subscribe for more. And I missed driving this car, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.